Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the structure and functions of lysosome. In this class, let us discuss about the structure and functions of mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane bound cell organelle. Mitochondria is a double membrane bound cell organelle. Means it is covered by two membranes, outer and inner membranes. Double membrane bound cell organelle present only in eukaryotes. Mitochondria is present only in eukaryotes, absent in prokaryotes. In case of eukaryotes, in mammalian RBC, red blood cells, mitochondria are absent. Mitochondria are commonly present in eukaryotes except mammalian RBCs, means red blood cells, and they are also absent in prokaryotes. Mitochondria are commonly called as powerhouse of a cell. Mitochondria are commonly called as powerhouse of the cell because mitochondria is the site where the aerobic respiration takes place. Means it is the site where the complete oxidation of the food, complete oxidation of food takes place in presence of oxygen, and complete oxidation of the food releases high amount of energy in the form of ATP. Mitochondria is a site. It is a site where complete oxidation means complete breakdown of digested food particles. Complete oxidation of food particles. That is called aerobic respiration. Complete oxidation of food particles is also called as aerobic respiration, or this process is called aerobic respiration. Means the breakdown of food molecules takes place in the presence of oxygen. Hence it is called aerobic respiration. Complete oxidation of food particles releases high amount of energy. Releases energy. That energy is in the form of ATP. It releases energy in the form of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. They are called as energy currency of the cell. Adenosine triphosphate means ATP are also called as energy currency of the cell. Whenever the body requires energy for the synthesis of new chemical compounds or for the mechanical work, at that time ATP releases required energy. Complete oxidation of the food particles called aerobic respiration takes place in mitochondria, and it releases energy in the form of ATP, or the storage of energy takes place in ATP form or adenosine triphosphate form. Hence ATP is called as energy currency of the cell. ATP is commonly called as energy currency of a cell. Whenever body requires energy for mechanical work or for the synthesis or formation of new chemical compounds, at that time this ATP releases the energy. Now let us discuss about the structure of mitochondria. Structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane bound cell organelle. Means it contains two membranes such as outer membrane and inner membrane. It contains two membranes such as outer and inner membrane. Means, and this mitochondria is sausage shaped. It is sausage shaped or rod shaped. It is sausage or rod shaped cell organelle. See, this is the outer membrane. Outer membrane. Outer membrane, and this one is the inner membrane. And this inner membrane of the mitochondria is folded like this. Inner membrane of the mitochondria is folded. And this folded portion is called as cristae. Like this it is folded. Mitochondria contains outer membrane and inner membrane, and this inner membrane is folded. Outer membrane, and this is inner membrane of the mitochondria, and inner membrane is folded, that is called cristae. Cristae. And the inner membrane of the mitochondria encloses the matrix. The matrix which are present in the mitochondria is covered by the both inner and outer membrane. Here matrix is present. Matrix is enclosed by the membranes of the mitochondria. Then in the matrix of the mitochondria, here DNA is present. Matrix of the mitochondria contains DNA, then ribosomes. Ribosomes. DNA and ribosomes are present in the matrix of the mitochondria. See, these are the ribosomes and other enzymes. Enzymes which are required for the aerobic respiration, or enzymes which are required for the complete oxidation of the food, are present in the matrix. See, this is the DNA. DNA of the mitochondria, and these are ribosomes. Ribosomes. And other than this, here enzymes are present. DNA, ribosomes, enzymes, matrix, cristae, inner membrane and outer membrane. This is the structure of mitochondria. Structure of mitochondria contains two membranes, outer and inner membrane. This outer membrane of the mitochondria is smooth. Outer membrane of the mitochondria is smooth and it is porous. Porous means small holes are present in the outer membrane. Outer membrane of the mitochondria is smooth and it is porous. Whereas the inner membrane of the mitochondria is folded inwards. Inner membrane of the mitochondria is folded inwards. Means here we can observe inward folding. This inward folded portion of the inner membrane of the mitochondria is called as cristae. It is called as cristae. And this cristae increase the surface area for ATP synthesis. Cristae is the inward folding of the inner membrane of the mitochondria, and this cristae, the main function of the cristae is it increases the surface area for cristae increases the surface area for energy or ATP generating chemical reactions. ATP or energy generating chemical reaction, that is commonly called as Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle. And mitochondria is the site of aerobic respiration, and that aerobic respiration is nothing but also called as Krebs cycle. Then inner membrane of the mitochondria encloses matrix. Inner membrane of the mitochondria encloses matrix. The matrix of the mitochondria contains DNA, the genetic material, deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. It is the genetic material which is present in the matrix of the mitochondria. Matrix of the mitochondria also contains ribosomes. Ribosomes, these are the small spherical shaped bodies, ribosomes. Because of the presence of DNA and ribosomes, mitochondria are able to manufacture some of their own proteins and enzymes. Because of the presence of its own DNA and ribosomes, mitochondria are able to synthesize their own proteins and enzymes. Hence they are called as semi-autonomous. The presence of DNA and ribosomes make the mitochondria semi-autonomous. It is the cell, mitochondria is the cell organelle having its own DNA. Usually DNA is present in the nucleus of the cell. In case of eukaryotes, DNA are covered or enclosed by the nuclear membrane. But in mitochondria, its own DNA is present. This is about the structure of mitochondria. Now let us discuss few important functions of mitochondria. Important functions. Functions of mitochondria. The important functions of mitochondria includes mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration.